Good morning. For today's Surfboards.com behind the scenes video, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Quiksilver amped up hat, and we're shipping it to Liz in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. If you'd like to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, all you got to do is send an email. We'd be glad to do it. So Liz, your hat is in bin B1F3C. B1F3C, that's an upper, so let's get on the wave. We use these waves to get all the stuff that's just slightly out of reach. B1F3C. All right, Liz, your hat should be in here. I'm looking for a blue shadow hat, UPC ending in 129. I think I got it. I double checked the UPC on the hat packaging with the UPC on the pick ticket, but we don't have to take my word for it. We're going to use a scanner to double check my work. These are great hats, by the way, these amped up hats. They're like a flex fit hat. They got a really nice material on it. In fact, I might grab this hat for my collection. It's called the amped up hat. We sell a lot of Quiksilver hats. They make a nice hat. A lot of these brands make a nice hat. Green means I grabbed the right hat for you, Liz, so let's pack it up. All our hats ship in boxes so as not to destroy the hat. We have several different sizes of boxes, but we use this one typically for hats. It's an 8x8x4 if you're interested. I scan the order into the computer so the computer knows what order we're working on. Then I ask the computer to weigh the item and get us a shipping quote. And then I ask the computer to print a shipping label. And in just a moment, the label should be printed. And Liz, your very cool hat is heading to your mailbox. North Carolina takes about 3 days, so I would expect it in your mailbox. Well, today's Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Okay, Liz, thanks a million for your order.